So in today's video, I'll show you how to switch between light modes and what do they mean on your Varia RearVue 820. Okay, so let's switch to the first one, which is the solid mode. As you can see, it just lights up on high brightness, and that's it. Pretty easy. And of course the radar is on, so you can also see the radar information from the radar in the app, as well as on your bike computer if you're using one. Now if I click on it again, it'll cycle to the next mode, which is Peloton, and that's at a lower brightness, which is great for biking in a group, so you're not flashing the light directly at someone. Then the next mode is going to be night flash, which means that it alternates between low and high brightness, so the light doesn't go off like fully. It never fully goes off. It flashes, but it doesn't fully go off in that flash, so you're still visible at night. Then when I switch to the next mode, it is going to be day flash, so it flashes on and off continuously. You can see the pattern is quite interesting. It's not like a fully... You can see when I moved a little bit, it did light up for a moment, for like a moment longer. You can see that, like if I change the position, yeah. So that is the thing, and then the next last thing is technically off, but it's also not fully off. The radar still operates normally with the taillight, and now what you can see that when I moved the device now, it did light up for a moment, and that is because when the radar detects a vehicle approaching behind you, the flashing pattern or the off light will turn on automatically to enhance your visibility. So if there's something happening that requires it, it will turn it on. If I hold it in the hand, it will turn itself on quite frequently, but it doesn't really say it in the documentation, and I haven't fully tested the off mode yet, but you can just test it out on your own. Like maybe if you stop, it will do it if a vehicle approaches you and stuff like that. If you fall, maybe it'll also turn on. I don't know yet. So that is basically it. And these are all the light modes. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.